Hey guys, how's it going? Josh, off-leash K9 Trainer, Hampton Roads. I'm here with Mr. Ruger. Ruger here is dog number 1 out of dog number 2 from this family. Ruger is actually lives with his sister. They're actually litter mates, and they are completely dependent upon another. You know, they drive mom and dad pretty bonkers inside the house. You know, they're always whining, always have to be with one another and all that. So we are actually working Ruger separate from his sister, so I will pick her up actually when he finishes. So, you know, it's littermate syndrome. It's the complete definition of it. So we're gonna see what Mr. Ruger here knows. Hey bud, Ruger, come here, come. Good boy. Can you sit? Good. Can you lay down? Sit. Down. Lay down. Down. Can you lay down? No. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Good boy. Ruger. What are you doing? What are you doing? So, as you can see, he knows what sit means. He doesn't know what down means. He definitely doesn't know how to heel or walk on a leash. He just thinks it's a fun big game. He's running around, jumping around like crazy. But outside of that, nothing real major. We're just gonna clean him up. We're gonna make him less dependent on his sister and just enjoy life a little bit more when she's not around as well. And just overall, better all in obedience. So make sure you check back with me in 2 weeks and find out how Ruger did. Good boy.
We're the Garings, Fred and Liz, and this is Ruger. And Ruger's completed his 2 weeks of training, and we're picking him up to take him home.
He's a new dog.
A new dog, yeah. He actually listens to us a little bit now.
And Josh did a great job.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.